This is part one of 8 short videos in the Getting Started with Primescan 2 series, where we dive into the innovative technology that powers Primescan 2.
As you know, Primescan 2 is the first cloud-native infrared scanning solution. That means that it's not tied to a specific laptop or other device. All you need is a device with a browser and an internet connection to log into your DS-Core account. Primescan 2 works with DS-Core Lite or higher tier. This next-generation intraoral scanner is designed to deliver excellent accuracy, speed, and ease of use, empowering dental professionals to elevate their digital workflows. In this section, we will explore what makes Primescan 2 unique, how it fits into your clinical routine, and how you can make cloud scanning work for you. Now, let's take a closer look at the innovative design of Primescan 2. At the scanner tip, we have integrated a new prism concept, allowing you to easily scan even hard-to-reach areas with precision. Multiple status sensors provide real-time data transmission, enhancing serviceability. With faster verification, you benefit from efficient real-time remote troubleshooting, minimizing unnecessary follow-up actions and saving valuable time in your daily workflow. Built-in Wi-Fi module ensures seamless connectivity. The tapping sensor lets you control your scan workflow with a simple tap anywhere on the scanner, making operation more intuitive. The LED user interface gives you clear visual feedback representing power, connection to the internet, and battery level. The battery lasts for approximately full 4 scans and can very easily be switched. And finally, the integrated active cooling ensures great performance throughout the day.
That wraps up our look at Primescan 2's technology. Next, let's explore its intuitive tapping feature,